Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, I want to talk to you about creating content that you can use in affiliate marketing, meaning the content that you create to actually make commissions when you're trying to sell an affiliate product. What I want to do in this video is show you a shortcut, but before we do that, let's look at a simple funnel when you're doing affiliate marketing and the things that you need to create at the very basic level of content creation when you're an affiliate marketer. So you see here on the screen, what you'll have is you'll have your YouTube channel, you'll have your Facebook, your profile, your page, your group, and then you need to create a squeeze page. That squeeze page is used to capture email addresses or contact information, and then you put those contacts on an email list where you follow up with them. Now you need to create this content that you put on your YouTube channel, you need to create this content you put on your Facebook group, you need to create this squeeze page, and you need somewhere to host this squeeze page because a squeeze page is effectively a web page, so you need your own web hosting. You need to build an email list, so you're going to need an email autoresponder, and then you're going to need to redirect all that traffic or those real people with those real problems that you're helping solve with your content over to the affiliate products, and at the end of the day, that's how you actually make the commission and earn the money as an affiliate marketer. So how do you go about creating the squeeze page, the content for your YouTube channel and your Facebook group, even the emails that you send out to your list once you get them to give you your email address on this squeeze page to get them over to that affiliate product? Well, you have to do the research, then you have to write it, either the script for the video or the blog post or the post that you put on your Facebook page, and that takes a lot of time. So what I want to do is show you a shortcut, and that shortcut is called PLR, or private label rights. And what that is done for you content that you can use to create blog posts, you can use to create Facebook posts, you can use to create emails, you can use to create videos. And what that looks like is something like this. Here's a product that is for sale. Full disclaimer, this is my product from my PLR brand, 30minuteplr.com. But you can see here, this is in the growing self-help niche. And this is dealing with negative emotions, such as managing anger, anxiety, and fear. Now what this is a high-quality lead magnet pack, or this is content that includes everything that you saw in that diagram, which is the content you're going to use to build those YouTube videos, or in this case, the YouTube video is done for you, as well as content that you can use in your Facebook page, your Facebook profile, your Facebook group, whatever you may have on Facebook, maybe all three. Even the squeeze page comes in this content, and it's also content that you can break off and put into emails, again, to redirect people over to your affiliate offer to earn that commission. And again, if you scroll down here on the sales page, you're getting a high quality lead magnet pack, and it shows you right here exactly what you're getting. You're getting the special report, which is 3,709 pages for this report, which is fear, and you're getting the squeeze page. This comes with a report on anger as well. You can see this is 10 pages, 3,474 words, also a squeeze page for that one. Anxiety and how to deal with anxiety. That's a special report of 12 pages, 3,708 words, again with the squeeze page. Again, this is all done for you content that all you have to do is take it and start posting it on YouTube or your Facebook page or any other social media, even your blog. Of course, you need to edit this and tweak it to your voice, but it is done for you from the idea of the research. All you need to do is take this content and get it out to your audience so you can help your audience, help them solve their problems, get them on your email list, and then get them over that affiliate offer again so you can make sure you're helping them at the same time earning that commission that you're looking to earn. Now this does come with squeeze pages, and I'm going to show you the squeeze page that I put together here for anger, and that is in Groove Pages. It also comes in HTML, so you can just upload it to your own hosting if you have your own hosting. But if you don't, you could use the one that Groove Pages gives you, and I'm going to show you that right now. And here is that page. As you can see here, managing anger, and it has a place for your audience to put their email address and then download their ebook. And as you can see right here, you can simply fill out this template and make it your own. And you can see that it's fully done for you. All you need to do, again, is go into Groove Pages. Of course, GrooveFunnels, Groove Pages, link in the description. You can get a free account. And you can see exactly how this works. But all you do is you just click on an element, and it's drag and drop, and you edit it just like in any other page builder. You would just simply configure that, change out your logo if you want a new logo. If you want to change this image, you can go ahead. You can click on that. You can change this image. Even if you want to change this, all you do is simply click on it and you just delete that, and you can see right there 7 simple steps to manage your anger, and then you simply just publish that, and you can easily host that on groovepages.com or your own domain. And again, it looks just like this page right here. It's a fully functional squeeze page, just like we saw in that diagram. So that squeeze page right here is done for you. And then again, the content, which is the 3 special reports, are the content you can use on your YouTube channel or your Facebook group, as well as you can add that into your email list because the research and the content is already done for you. Now, when you go down here and you hit buy on this, you can see that this is actually currently on launch. It is $12.95 as of this video, December 20th, 2020. The price does go up to $37. So if you're watching this video at a later date, it will be $37, but still a bargain. And of course, the next upsell for this is going to be 15 done-for-you videos inside of this same niche, talking about anger, anxiety, and fear. And if you scroll down, you'll see the samples right here. These are done-for-you videos. Of course, you could take the content in the front end, and you could create your own videos. And you could do that in a product like Vidnami that you see here. Of course, there's videos here about Vidnami on the channel. So check those out, link in the description. But the point being here that PLR or private label rights, again, is content that is done for you that you can take and make your own with simple edits, saving you a lot of time and frustration in creating your own lead magnets and your own content that you can post on YouTube, Facebook group, your own membership site. Also, you can put this content in your emails to follow up again. Just like you see here, once you get people on your squeeze page from your high quality content that's helping them with their problems over to your squeeze page in exchange for more content, they'll go on your email list and then you can redirect them over to the affiliate offers. And this is how you make money with PLR or private label rights as content. And this is how you make money as an affiliate marketer with content in general. Whether you create your own content, you hire a ghostwriter, or you buy PLR content and tweak it and add a few edits to make it your own. Either way, you're going to have to create the content. So that's what I wanted to show you today, is how this funnel shakes out, exactly how it works, how you can go about creating content as an affiliate marketer by using PLR to actually make money as an affiliate marketer, using it as a shortcut. Of course, don't shortcut the shortcuts. Make sure that you take the PLR, make it your own, but that's very simple with a few edits. And again, you can see on the sales page right here, you're getting these high quality lead magnets, and you can simply get your copy right there by clicking that green button. Again, full disclosure, this is my own PLR brand, 30minuteplr.com. I create PLR based upon the things that I use in my own business and that I know will work for people that need to create content as an affiliate marketer. This also works if you have your own product in this niche. You could easily take this and make it your own and sell it as your own product, even if you don't have your own affiliate offer, but the focus here is on affiliate marketing. So if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel, link in the description, check out this PLR, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.